Hi everyone, this is Felicia with FP Handmade, and I'm coming at you with another card share video. So I purchased some paper this month from Michaels, and had seen it here on YouTube, and I fell in love with it. Can't remember which channel was sharing it, but the next day I went up to Michael's to see if I could get the paper pad, and I was able to. So I made a few cards that I wanted to share with you. So the paper pad is this Michael's Craftsmith. I hope it's in the camera view, and it's called Bloomsbury. It's 48 sheets, single-sided, 2 sheets of each design, the 12 by 12. So it's been a while since I bought a 12 by 12 paper pad. What I do is when I see one that I think I might like, I have to realize that I need to like it more than half of the pages before I purchase it. I can't be purchasing it for just a couple of pages. It has to be more than half. So this is, like I said, it's 48 sheets, so it's 24 designs. So let me just kind of share with you really quickly. I know I may not be in camera, but I'm sure you can get the flavor of it. Look at these. Some of them I already cut out and prepared to use. Super pretty colors. I like the combination of the blue and the pink. And then we have some gold. And it's just continuing on here. Just a really pretty paper pad. I really liked it. So it was on sale, which was, you know, even better. Because it's been a while since I bought a 12 by 12 paper pad. So to get it on sale, look at that. It's foil, so pretty. And the blue flowers. And you know, if you've seen this, you've probably already like it. These pretty cut up parts, just waiting for me to stamp a sentiment on them, some of them. So I'll be trying to use this up as much as possible, because I already have so much paper. So if I'm really liking a design, I try to use it immediately, because I know I'm just kind of like I see something else and then I want to use it too. Look at that. That's a big flower, but it's really pretty. And so that's sorry if that was kind of loud, but I wanted to share with you this Bloomsbury Craftsmith paper pad from Michaels. So let's move that out of the way. And then on my cards today, I'll share with you, I'm also using the Gina Marie. This one is the nested scallop design. This one is the Rick Rack nested dies. And then once again, if you saw my last video, I used this on a couple of cards, and this is the Waffle Flower Sweet Lettuce Sentiments, my new favorite. But then again, I don't know, here's a new one that I purchased recently, and this is the Waffle Flower. It's called Big Dot Sentiments, and I love how square they are, so you can easily layer these, cut them out. Don't need a die because they're just square sentiments, and I really like these. And then also in my stash, I have this Spellbinders Clear Stampin' Die Set of the Month. This was in November 2023. Sending Sentiments. I'm pretty sure I purchased this, you know, a couple of months ago when it was on sale. You know how Spellbinders draw you in on their sales. And then I also use these Color Essential Gems. This is the Silver Mix, 108 self-adhesive crystals. Okay, so let's take a look at the cards. So, I don't know, I have all the envelopes with them. Sorry, just kind of make this easier for me to share with you. So first up is the one using a small card using the Sweet Lettuce Sentiment. And I thought this one is cute. So what I did was I just cut this paper out, and I challenged myself with using this one sheet on a couple of cards. So I kind of look at where the flowers are placed, and I cut the paper that way. And I think it turned out really cute with those little gems shining. So that's the first card. The second one, I used the Sending Sentiments die set. And look at that. So like I said, this is one sheet, and the layer sheet too. Just one sheet that I'm using here. And I thought that was so pretty. I have layered that up. So I think that's 2 of the die cuts here. layered up to make it look a little chunky. That's cute. And then the next one is using the new Waffle Flower sentiment set that I have, Big Dot Sentiments. So in this one I used some Glossy Accents, and I really don't like Glossy Accents. I don't know why I keep trying to use it. I am never pleased with the card. It has tons of shine on it, but I never can get, I always have little dips in it and it just never smooth, and I'm just gonna give up on some Glossy Accents. So anyway, here is the Big Dot Sentiments that I layered. So I used that scallop nesting dies, or maybe this is the Rick Rack, and then I just pick the bigger die to layer it with, and then I use some dimensionals to pop it up a little. Super cute. So it's 3 cards with 1 sheet of 12 by 12. And then here's my next one. And sometimes what I do is, if I have some pieces of paper on my desk that I used in another project, I kind of keep some on, like the corner of my table, and I challenge myself with just using them. Sometimes you can just push the envelope and make colors match when you never thought they would. So this, if you've watched any of my videos, you know that this is my favorite ribbon. I purchased it from Joann's a couple of years ago, and I thought this super simple, super flat, easy to mail card. I think that's my jam right now. Just easy cards. Don't have to think too hard. And then this one. And this is some ribbon for my stash. I thought, since I used ribbon on the last one, why not use ribbon on this one? And like I said, this is a blue background and kind of beige. And then I used the grid paper from the paper pad to layer it with. And I think it works. What do you guys think? So here's this one. This one. And then the one I'm not too crazy about, the Glossy Accents, but I like it anyway. Hello. And happy birthday to you. So what do you think? Let me know below. I love when you guys comment on which card that you like the most. It always, I'm always interested in that. So thank you for watching, and I will talk to you all soon. And if you're new to my channel and you haven't subscribed, consider subscribing, hitting that bell. All right, guys. Thank you. Bye-bye.